The Porter Creek Woods in the north end of Whitehorse is a forest surrounded by suburbia in all directions, yet is home to a vast ecosystem of wildlife. The majestic red fox. A sure sign of spring, a fox den full of younglings, or kits as they're called. There were a number of dens in these small woods this spring. See how they play, unknowingly honing skills used in hunting and defense. Here an adult keeps a close eye on our cameraman, placing itself between the potential danger and the kits. This fox naps near a roadside, seemingly indifferent to the camera's glare. This one, behind a local plaza, is a little curious, perhaps hoping for a handout. These magpies rest on a bike rack in front of the plaza. Look at their majestic plumage. A red-chested robin stays high out of the reach of danger. There was an upswing in robins this year, seeming to be around every corner. The yellow-bellied sapsucker is the only long-distant migrant woodpecker. Woodpeckers use stiff tail feathers to stay propped up on the side of tree trunks. The hidden lake sits in the north of the forest. And what do we have swimming along here? Well, it's a majestic beaver. Beavers use their flat, meaty tails to both swim and to build their dams and lodges. That's a lovely lodge, Mr. Beaver. The majestic tree squirrel enjoys climbing trees, unlike its cousin, the ground squirrel. This little chap has a lot to say. There have been some sightings of the rare Yukon rabbit in this area recently. Let's see if we get lucky. Here we are. Look at him go. So graceful. This species of rabbit has an unusual trait of hiding caches of food throughout their area. Let's see what he has here. Looks like he's foraged a fine lunch indeed. Now with his stomach full of processed meat, he'll relax and enjoy the sunshine. He certainly has a taste for craft IPA. As you can tell from his round midsection, he's had a prosperous spring. It appears a female is nearby and has caught his attention. Let's see how he plays his cards. Of course, a Bluetooth speaker. He's going to play some music, a classic move. What a treat! What we're seeing here is the mating dance of the Yukon rabbit. So majestic. What amazing moves! I'm beside myself in awe. His agility and coordination are second to none. He's definitely caught her attention. Now we'll have to see if this will develop into, nope, she left. Discouraged, he returns to his beverage, ready to live and love another day. What a loser. This has been Nature in the Neighborhood.